Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a free Firebase hosting account to host your website or some mobile application or some database application. Anything is fine. So let's see how we can do this thing. To create a free Firebase hosting account, at first you need a Gmail account or Google account. I already have a Gmail account, so I'm going to use that email address or that account to create the free Firebase hosting account. So at first we need to open google.com and then search by typing Firebase. You'll find the firebase.google.com. This website is there. So this is our desired website from where we can get the free hosting account. I'm going to click here and then it will open like this. So if you have Gmail account, then you will see your account is already logged in. Otherwise you need to create a Gmail account to log in your account. Then after that you will find a menu is there, like go to console. This type of menu is there. We just need to click here to access the control panel. So here basically you need to create a project first. So I'm going to create a project. So suppose the project name is like I have a YouTube channel basically. So for my YouTube channel I'm going to type the FewSteps. This is the channel name, but I see it is not giving me this name. The name of the project is not allowing me, so I need to modify something. So we can use some of the keyword beginning or end, then we can modify this thing. So for example we can use the FewSteps. It's not working, so let me check other one. My FewSteps, it's not working. Let me check hello FewSteps. Yes, that is working. So we can use this name as a project name for our application or web hosting. So I'm going to use this name hello FewSteps, and then I'm going to press the continue button to go to the next step. And once we are there, then it is giving me the details like create a project, Google Analytics for your Firebase project. You can make it enable or disable. If you disable it, you can also configure it with your Google Analytics account. So I'm going to keep it as usual like this, and then press the continue button to go to the next step. Now here it is showing configure a Google Analytics account. So select the account. So you have to select the account. For example, you can create a new account. So I'm going to click here to create a new account, and suppose the name of the account will be the same, like hello FewSteps. I'm keeping the same name so that it will be easy to understand, hello FewSteps, and then I'm going to press the save button. But this is optional. You can remove this analytics account if you don't if you are not interested. So here it is asking like data sharing settings and Google Analytics terms. So you need to click here accept, otherwise you cannot continue. So after that you need to click on create project. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will create the project basically. And once it is created the project, then we'll see that our hosting account is ready to use. So it will take some time, like 10 seconds to 30 seconds to complete. You just need to wait till this progress bar has been completed successfully, and it is giving us message like finishing up. So we are almost done. So another 2-3 seconds probably, and finally it's done, and it is giving us message like your Firebase project is ready. And then there is a button continue. So we have to click this continue button to go to the next step. And once we click the next step, basically next button, basically we'll find this type of page, and this is our hosting account where we can actually deploy our website or some small web application or mobile application. Anything is fine, so we can deploy it here. And here you'll see a couple of menu options are there, like build, run, analytics, and all products. If you click here, it will be expanded. And for hosting, basically you need to go this location, hosting. Just click here and the hosting panel window will be opened. Now you can actually configure here, and you can host some static website from here. So that's it guys. In this way you can get a free Firebase hosting account, and once you get the free hosting account, you can actually like host your website or application over here. So there are many other features out there, but my intention was to show you how you can actually get the free hosting space from Google or Firebase. So that's it guys, thank you for watching the video.